On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gains. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, our gang? What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful Tuesday, as they say in England, Tuesday. And have made lots of dollar bills, y'all, and took the short with the gang. I think the gang knew. We were all waiting for this thing to roll over. Put a 1 in the chat if you took the short last night. 1. However, we'll see if we bounce here. We got Jolt's job openings today, so we got some news coming out, and it should be fun. Let's see what we get. Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Look at all these absolute legends in the chat. Now, we did have a short setup last night for the community, and I told them it was going to happen at 3 a.m. And I mean, it happened over the duration of last night. Coming up, slapping that pink box, bearish divergence, rejection at the golden pocket, 786. It took its time. It definitely took its time. Definitely took its time. I am now out of this trade, and now looking to possibly re-enter and maybe get long. Trying to bounce right now, actually. We do have like bottoming structure here, anchor trigger wave, trying to push up. Lots of liquidity above us to come and get up into VWAP, so possible long opportunity here. Solana looks a lot better than Biddy right now for the bounce. Managed to take a Solana trade yesterday as well. So if this, then that. Just trying to be patient here. Obviously, we're in a downtrend now, short-term wise, but long-term wise, we are getting a bounce. So there's a bunch of good stuff in here. I'd like to say good morning to everybody, though. First and foremost, we do have our beautiful news data coming out. This is weird. Sometimes this thing's just bad. US of A, 8 a.m. Jolt's job openings. So clearly the Fed thinks jobs are important now, all of a sudden. And just continues to drop, right? The openings drops. And we want people getting employed. But AI, I think, is the big cause of this, right? Like a lot of people are not getting hired because I mean, AI can do a lot of jobs now. So we'll see if it continues to drop here, which would cause us more, a higher chance. Look, 90% chance of rate cuts. Whew. That's a good probability, guys. I'll take those bets anytime. So we'll see how that affects price action coming into this morning. Okay, we still got some time here, so we'll see how that affects us coming in at 8 a.m. here. I get all messed up now with the time zones, right? Because is this on Mountain Time? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so we got some time before this happens, but Bitcoin rolling over. What are we looking for? Well, the good news is, everybody, is that we have made a higher high here. So we have come down, low, high, low, higher high. Okay, so we do have a higher high now. Woohoo! So we are looking for potential buys coming down into here. Now we have a whole bunch of levels. Doesn't mean we just press buy at these levels. We want to see price do something in here for potential continuation. Okay, what does this look like, everybody? Are we going to have everybody on YouTube go head and shoulders, knees and toes? I sing this song all the time with my son. It gets it's funny, you know. You learn patterns even before you're trading. So we could be getting a little bit of a right shoulder here. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, order block in here, Fibonacci zone in here, retest of previous highs in here. Okay. Nothing really in here. I think right now we are in a golden pocket, 786. If we go impulse move up into here, we are in that golden pocket. We could even go from the low over here and say that we are bouncing off the golden pocket. Okay. For continuation. So there's some options right now. Pretty much stuck in the middle though. Whenever you get impulsive moves, guys, I always tell this to my people in the community. You're always looking to recover these areas. At least the first one. So far so good. So we'll see if Bitcoin can push back into this VWAP. And hopefully we can get a continuation here. If not, whatever. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons and saying good morning, Steve Hickey. Good morning. Good to see you. Chris Klein. Good to see you, man. How have you been, man? How's your putty cat? Didn't you have a cat named Floki, right? I'm pretty sure. Good morning to you, man. Floki's Angels. What's going on? There we go. There we go. Look at that. The whole Klein family's here. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Orhan, good morning to you. Isaac, Chris Reitz. Good morning. Mahaba, good morning to you, man. Steve Hickey, how you doing? Andrew Rutledge, good morning, man. Good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. Michael Paul, Duality C, Shy Owl, Mob, B-Rad, good morning. Good to see you. Alexander G, how you doing? Don't be texting and working and driving at the same time, Alex. We want you to remain safe. Mandera, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Blue collar as well. Mark Gustafson, Farhad, Orhan. Good morning, guys. PB Stacks, thank you for being here. Good morning, Buck, Steve Hickey, Bay, Tay, Joshua. What's going on, Pab, Soy, Quest, Wally. Good morning to you guys. Thank you for being here. Matt Vose, Sharkvin, Y Crypto, Mandera, DJ Mac. Good morning, Asinda, Eljon. Good morning, guys. How you doing? Mr. O. Mr. O. So many rude jokes went through my head. I stopped myself, okay? Toe wrestling, chess boxing, Ferret legging. Unicycle hockey. Okay. Can't get mad at a ping pong slappage at 3 a.m. You missed rugby, bro. What about the Sydney Swans? That's the Red All Blacks, the Sydney Swans. That's the Aussie Football League. Canada. I played rugby in high school. I was a hooker. Yeah, insert joke. I also played the wing. Good fun, man. Nothing better than getting dirty in the mud with a whole bunch of guys. You know, especially when you're called a hooker. No, I liked rugby. I smashed some people, man. Low center of gravity. I was pretty quick when I was younger, so good fun. Good fun. Wayne C, good to see you. Offshore Miner, good morning. I have big ears, so I had to wear one of those hats, you know? I got these pointy ears, so I would get like, when we were scrumming, I get fully taken advantage of. People would flip me on my ass just from pulling on my ears. And now I remember once I got suspended for 3 games once because I mean, I wasn't a big kid and like they were scrumming or whatever, and this one guy broke free and he got loose and he got past all of our defense here. And I was playing back because our back guy was like, he was out. So all I do is typically get the throw back and then I booted up the field. But this guy was running at me. And I'm telling you guys, this guy was a gazelle, bro. I'm like 5'4", okay? I'm a short dude. I'm like in the Shire. I'm the Hobbits. And there's this guy's like a gazelle. Like he is running at me and he's got to be at least 6 feet tall. And this is in grade 10. So I'm 16 years old. This guy's got he's all legs, right? He's all legs. I should do it in one motion so I can control it. Here, so we got head, legs, arms. All right. So he's coming at me. And he's got the ball. And like he tries to do this like little jukey thingy, man. And like you guys know how to tackle, right? You go for the knees, you squeeze, and you roll over, right? You go for the knees, you squeeze, and you roll over. So I go for the knees, right? But guys, remember, this guy's a giant, man. So when I go for the knees, Buddy ends up going right over my back, so I can't draw it. But he ends up, so his legs are here in my arms, but his body's over here, guys. Okay, that's where he is, and I got him like this, and I go to tackle him, and like the whiplash, this guy whiplashed like this, guys. I broke 4 of this guy's ribs, so he like his head just went poof. And I got like a legal contact and I got suspended for like 2 games. It was but like my whole team was celebrating. They're like, you absolutely destroyed that kid. He was on the ground crying like a little bitch. But good fun, man. I love sports, man. Rugby. It's too much fun. Yeah, I broke his ribs, but the noise, you know when you get hit you hit your back and it goes thud, like the thud noise? It was thud with like cracks. It was good. It was good. I got smoked sometimes too, but I didn't like cry and sit there and whine. It's part of the game, man. Anyways, that's my rugby story of the day. Afternoon, Saphir. Call me Dave. F-bomb. Good morning, Jam. Fabril, Chris. I mean, in Canada, we play hockey, right? So it's like, it's the only legal UFC in the world where like you can just drop the gloves and fight someone, right? In any other sport. That's why I love hockey, right? Hit me one more time with your stick. Watch what happens, right? Baby G, Bob Gnarly, good morning. Floki's Angels, Castell, good morning. You got games on your phone? What? Tengu, good morning. You traded all night? All night long. In my hero, DJ Mac, top of the morning. Good to see you. Chad P. Baby G. They call me Mr. O. I was going to say my wife is the only one who can call me Mr. O. Chris, good to see you. Why are people's names tagged green? Because we have memberships back. We got remonetized, man. Now you can say good morning this way. You can say gang, gang, gang. You can go otters in the chat. It's a whole new world, man. Welcome, Chris. Everybody, let's see some gang signs in the chat for Chris. Baby G, Ryan Smith, Ace Crypto, Buck, in my hero. Good to see you. DK, DX, Cajun, Offshore Miner. Oliveira, Troll Games, Pat, good morning. Jay Violet, Maba, good morning. Blair Stevenson, let's go, baby. Randy Hipper's in the chat. Crypto Dog, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Alex Moto. That's great if it's not your kid. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, everybody, for saying good morning. Jeev, hello, brother. We fight in NASCAR, too? Yeah. NASCAR, you know what NASCAR is? Is who can turn left the best. That's all NASCAR is. Who can turn left the best. Good morning, everybody. Gang, 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 gang. Let's go. From Jersey, Steve Rugby. Who can turn left the best? Good evening from Thailand. Thank you guys for being here. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Dragonfly, Thomas. Cincinnati Reds. How about those Blue Jays clinching their AL East? The only non-American team beating out the Yankees and the Red Sox for the AL East title. How about them Blue Jays? Nothing's better than a BJ, guys. I'd rather have one BJ than 9 Yanks, if you know what I mean. You guys know that? You know the Yankees joke? One BJ is better than 9 Yanks? It's true, man. W. Arrow at $1. Nice. Yeah, man. It's rules to live by. Exactly. I'm just talking about the Yankees and the Blue Jays, guys. What do you got? Get your mind out of the gutter, man. You know they sell T-shirts like that. They sell T-shirts like that at the Blue Jays games. This is the best T-shirt. Because the Blue Jays are better. Right? One BJ is better than 9 Yanks. Go Blue Jays, baby. Let's go. I spelled football wrong. Steve Hickey, Paul Caruso. Philly Skills. You will be demonetized again, Paul. Paul, I know. It's a matter of time, bro. It's a matter of time. This is never financial advice. If you guys don't read the statement at the beginning of the beautiful stream, then I don't know what to tell you. All right. My actual demonetization was a very. I mean, I make nothing off of the YouTubular monetization because they take so much, and then it's like. We have gifted memberships, but the memberships are the cheapest they can be. They're like $1, right? I just want you guys to have emojis, that's all. I do appreciate the super chats and all that stuff, but it's like, at the end of the day, we're here to trade and click buttons. That's it. Trade and click buttons. We do have news coming at us today, everybody. So let's be prepared for that. Now, what do we have here? Like, really, if we're looking at this, right? Well, we had a clear rejection last night. She said no, and she went down. It makes it pretty easy to take the short here, like we did in the Discord, just because of how overextended we are to the upside, right? That's just obvious. So you give yourself a bit more wiggle room. You manage your risk. You take the trade. You get the setup in advance, right? That's the one, right? Right? Way in advance. Like you guys had 10 years to make this trade. Okay? Way in advance in the Discord yesterday. Continuation up. And look, even the little long scalp continuation trade here off the order block, which is something else we teach in the Discord. So you had the long into it. You had the short down from it. Given yesterday, I mean, I don't know. I'm waiting for someone to make me my giant wooden spoon so I can spoon feed everybody. We also hit take profits on Sui, 6% gains. I mean, I just want the big spoon, guys. I don't even mind a little spoon, but it would be big to me because I'm small, right? So a nice clear rejection off of our golden pocket, right? So the hopium is this. The hopium is that we make a higher low right now. Okay, because if we make a higher low right now, in here, we get our inverse head and shoulders, and we get our beautiful pump to Valhalla. We do have a very nice trend line coming down in here. I still want to see this gone. I'm that douche canoe that I would like everybody to be bullish right now and be humble pied. Like just a nice hot dish. I don't know what. We're going to have to do a pie poll after this. Okay. I like apple pie with vanilla ice cream. Apple pie, like an apple crumble with some vanilla ice cream. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Damn, I could eat that for breakfast right now. So when looking at this, we're a bit overextended on our 4 hour, but the 1 and the 2 hour actually look good. The 1 hour here pushing up VWAP crossover here, and the 2 hour VWAP's posturing to the upside. Okay, so it looks like we might get a little bit of a relief push coming into here. Obviously, we've pushed down. We've gone pretty flaccid here. I would like to see the order block tested, but we could see something like that, right? Or we could come in here, do its thing, give us our right shoulder that we so desire, and then go to Valhalla. My issue right now, everybody. What is my issue? My issue right now is that everybody is saying Pumptober, man. Everybody. Like, everybody. Right? I mean, there's so much pain from all of these people. Everybody's like this guy right here. Right? Yeah, this guy's like, oh, please. No stop loss. YOLO. Right? Everybody's like this guy. I mean, do you know why everyone's like that guy? Because everybody, you want to know the hard truth? Everybody on this Donald Trump rally right here was buying altcoins. Everybody was buying altcoins here. And your altcoins got absolutely Hulk smashed, and they're down 70%. That's why. If you want the harsh truth, that is why. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I just tell you the truth. And Bitcoin has outperformed your altcoins by a landslide. Okay. There's your harsh truth. You can unsubscribe. Sorry for telling you the truth or what you don't want to hear. So there's a lot of hopium. You know, and I'm up on my altcoins. I'm up like I've 2x'd my altcoins. Okay, it's nothing spectacular. But I bought in the bear market. I've been holding them for 3 years, right? So, and you know what, if I'm being honest, I wish I sold them here. I wish I sold. Everybody put a 1 in the chat. You wish you sold it on the Trump pump, right? Put a 1 in the chat. You all wish. I mean, I bought down here, guys. I wish but the whole plan was to sell them in an altcoin season. Right? That's why everybody got this hopium here. So I think we need a little bit of serving of apple crumble before we get going. But hey, if we get a bounce out of here and some higher highs and higher lows, I'm down for it. So coming into a bunch of news data this week. I don't know if the government's going to shut down. That's not my job to know. If they do, whatever, maybe we won't get any data. But right now, Bitcoin's looking to bounce up a little bit. What's interesting is we get the 3-day candle print here. This is what I'm watching today, is we get the 3-day candle print. If we can engulf this candle today, we may push pretty nice, okay? What we do understand is that Bitcoin has been outperforming Solana and Ethereum lately, which is good, guys. We can see dominance is rising. Which tells us that Daddy's back. Big Daddy Bitcoin. He's back and he's ready to perform. Whether it's up or down, but he's ready to perform. So it's a good sign, in my opinion. It's a good sign because we want Bitcoin to lead. If we want altcoin season, we want it to lead. That's the truth. Now, we talk a lot of macro stuff and like altcoin stuff in the Discord. I'm here to trade. So if this, then that, right? Right now, your options are this. We've created liquidity above us quite nicely over the overnight. Took the short from here, liquidity to come back up and get. So can we return back up to this liquidity and maybe retrace into this area in here and then continue downwards? Absolutely. Can we bottom here? Yeah, this would be a weird place to bottom. We haven't even tapped these highs. We haven't touched this order block. We haven't swept this liquidity out of the lows. So be a weird place to bottom, but if we start to ramp up, we can jump on trend here and take this to the moon. Okay. However, I would like lower. I would like here, at least 110, 800. Maybe we flag out here. Boop. Today and then end of the week push. We'll see if this then that. But there's too many people right now posting too many Uptober posts, in my opinion. I like to be contrarian. When I see people like up only posting, it's like, well, who's your daddy and what does he do? Yes, exactly. Exactly. Ones. See all the ones? Good job. Right? Sorry I sold up there. Good job. I can't handle the truth. They're also not on the 30-second time frame. Yeah. Fresh apple bread from Branson. Ooh. Uptober. Not pineapple crumble apple pie. Blueberry all day. Yeah, blueberry is good. It stains though. You got to be careful. Welcome, Chris. You can now put in gang signs and sniper rifles, man. Army Pipers, R.S. Mellers, Otters, No-No-Nos, Tony Sopranos, Nick Musgraves, Wick's Wifey, and Good Mornings. Maybe some Alexander G's with some sprinkles on the top. Are you still doing alts lists or no? No, we don't do alts lists anymore on the live streams. All we do is trade live. And that's it. We're here. We click buttons, buy or sell. We show the trades live. We show everything we do. We plan the trade. We show the trade. We take the trade. We show you the position. We show you the position size because position size matters. And we leave the altcoins for the technical analysis guys. We'll let them do the altcoins, and I'll do the trading. That's kind of how I leave it now, man. We do altcoins in the Discord. Key levels, bounce levels, great stuff like that. But now this show has just become me and you guys navigating these charts, taking trades together. Never financial advice. Hopefully I can help walk you guys through it a little bit and what I'm looking for. Maybe it helps you make a better decision on the trade that you're trying to take. And that's kind of how we do our show now. We used to do that top-down analysis, key level, altcoin list. Put your alts in the chat. Let me look at your fart coin for the 42nd time this week, even though you are losing money, right? I leave that for the technical analysis. This is Sir Peoples. We just trade here now. Just in case I'm calling for 109, my dry powder is waiting for it. I'm short from... I'm calling the anticipation. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Vincenzo Lespesa, good morning. Good to see you, my man. Hospitech, good morning. Good morning, JR. Good to see you, bro. Steve Hickey, Jesse, Soft Shell. We got a positive September too, so like October kind of doesn't make sense. Rectober. I mean quarter four, right? Quarter four is bullish. I'm not trying to be bearish. I'm not. What are we looking for this morning? So this morning we're looking to come and hunt the liquidity above us in here. So we have clear liquidity coming down here. Whenever price is down only, you can't see a clear retracement in here, right? It's holding the standard deviation 1 line here, as you can see. So this creates a lot of liquidity for price to come back and grab. VWAP resistance, support and resistance here. So we'll see how it behaves higher up here. Discord took the short last night. See if we want to continue to push here. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we are going to come back and at least do this. This is a weird place for a retracement, in my opinion. But liquidity above us, right? So we do have news data today. We have JOLTS job openings. Okay. So this will have a little effect on price. I'm not really looking to take a trade into that, depending on how it goes right now. So a little bit of patience right now. But clear liquidity in here. I mean, we could pull a fib. We could go like swing high to swing low here. Right? We could be looking up in here, but you're kind of splitting hairs right now. So for me, I have a key resistance level here. So I'd be looking in here alongside with VWAP for the sell. If we we're going to come up and reject, that would be it initially. We can see a little bit of an order block in here that we could potentially come up into as well. Yeah. Like just pure liquidity, right? So if this, then that. So if we come up into here and we have the reaction that I would like to see, I'd probably look to get short. And then in here as well. Nice order block in here, actually, and retracement level. We are currently bouncing off this golden pocket here from swing high to swing low, or swing low to swing high. So we are in a little bit of a bounce zone, but with these aggressive bounces, like whenever price does push and go, I typically look for a retest of previous highs. That's how I treat it. So I'm just going to be patient right now and wait and see what materializes here. And this is not something I want to trade. Let's just put it that way. Especially because we shorted this thing down last night. So we just wait here for something to materialize, and then we take advantage of it. So a little bit of patience right now is going to prevail, in my opinion. Everybody just let JR know that McDavid is going to be a Leaf next year after he loses for the third time straight in the Stanley Cup playoffs against the Leafs. You might as well, if you can't beat them, join them, right? I'm going to go get some more coffee, everybody.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Okay, nice push. Anybody long off of this thing, man? This thing's shite. The song needs to be on repeat. Okay. I think I could do that. How do you do that on this here? Oh, there it is. There's a Control T. Rising wedge typically rolls over, coming back for the order block here first and foremost. Nice push for Bitcoin. Okay. How's Solana doing? Solana looks okay. The tell yesterday was definitely on ETH. Even though Bitcoin's daddy right now, you can find some things on Solana and ETH that will give you bias. Okay. Bias to a direction. Yeah, Solana looks good here. Bitcoin looks good here. Nice push here. Not the bottoming structure I typically will trade. You got anchor trigger wave here. That's basically it. Trying to push up here. The key is knowing that this is liquidity and price action is going to return to it to come and get it. Thank you everybody for being here, smacking up those like buttons. We got 400 people in here, man. Thank you. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribing if you're new. We're here live trading every single day, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Sir, do you need a thumbnail? I'm a one thumbnail band, bro. I'm not there to make a clickbait thumbnail every day. I really don't care if people come here. The people who come here because they like to be here and they're kind. I guess they clicked on it randomly too. So I guess the thumbnail worked for them. It can work for others too. I've had a whole bunch of offers for like thumbnails. It's just, I think my thumbnail has grown a lot, okay? If you've seen the progress of my thumbnails throughout my channel, I used to do the open about two and a half years ago. I made a commitment to myself. I would never do an open mouth thumbnail ever again. Okay? I committed to myself, you know? You know, I used to do the oh man, if I could turn back time. Oh man, let's go, baby. Videos, oldest. Oh man, guys, I look like Sabretooth's short brother, Wolverine. Look at this, man. Let's see if we can find the last open mouth thumbnail. 2 years ago, I got off the open mouth thumbnail standard. The progress is real. I used to do pullback levels, yeah. Okay. This is where I'm at now. I tell you how much I made. I give you the top down. And that's it. That's it. Same face every time, man. This is the best one right here. I think, look, I added a Jerome Powell for you guys once. Do you know what's the coolest inside joke about my thumbnail right now? I'll tell you guys. I had to color in. So if you look at my thumbnail. Okay. We look at the thumbnail. Let's close this. I had to color in my ear. If you didn't know, right here. Right along here was actually, right along this ear right here was empty. So it was blue. So I had to color it in with the pencil. Here's so a trivia question for a membership. One day, which ear, is it my left ear or my right ear, did I have to color in? Oh man. Weird as hell, man. I don't know why. You go on Canva here. Look, see, I show you. Go on Canva. Look at my ear, man. What's going on with my ear? Bro, why did they remove half of my ear? It's like Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson just took control, man. Like, why are you making me color this in? You know how hard that was for me? I had to get like the little, what is that? What is that thing called? The syringe thingy? And like copy the colors and try to like dab my ear back. I had to do Canva surgery. Holyfield, let's go, baby. Call me Alex O'Nibbles. Yeah. You know how hard it is for a carpenter to like get all technical with the Canva, you know? What's going on, Jimbo? Good to see you, bro. I'm streaming from Canada, man. I'm in an igloo in the mountains, far away from the most dangerous human beings on earth. Humans. I'm close to grizzly bears and polar bears. I once considered trying to like whiten my teeth. You know? Because I got like coffee teeth from like, and smoker's teeth. Like my teeth aren't yeller. They aren't old yeller. Like they're not bad. But I thought about, you know, maybe brightening my smile. Guys, what a disaster that was. Oh my. You ever Abir, you wanna brighten my yellow teeth, bro? Like I'm sitting here with my beautiful grin here. I got like my pencil out here. Where's the pencil here? I got the highlighter. And I get the custom colors. I get the dabber, and I'm picking like the whitest part of my teeth. And I'm just trying to match it, guys. So I got this piece here. This one looks good. Look at that, baby. What do you think for the next thumbnail? Maybe make a little smile. Yeah? AlexOCrypto. Just like that, guys. Good morning, gang, gang, gang. That's how we'll trade this morning. All right? Crest White Strips sponsors this channel. How did I do, guys? Sponsored by Crest White Strips, man. Makes trading easy. 1 week transformation. 3D teeth, bro. Levels 8 whiter. 1 week smile transformation. AlexOCrypto. Crest White Strips. Oh, SFP on Solana looks bearish. SFP on ETH looks bearish. ETH break down this momentum right here. ETH loses momentum on this low here, looking to roll over. Bitcoin overextended a little bit. Order block rejection down, continuation down. No trade here. Like very choppy, pathetic price action. Like I would like this to be more fluid, more. Can I say gender fluid and not get in trouble? Anyways, who cares? I said it. So a little bit overextended here. Liquidity. Order block, retest. Yeah, so not a place I'm looking for a trade right now, guys. Just trying to be patient. We got news in 12 minutes. Is it 12 minutes, guys? Am I like I'm messed up for time today, guys. Jolt's job openings is at, it says 8 a.m. We're UTC -4 here. So Jolt's job openings is at 10 a.m. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's after market open. Sorry, guys. I got all excited. So we're waiting for that into the end of the stream. And, like, this price action is pretty pathetic, in my opinion. Yeah. ETH looking to roll over. Bitcoin looking to roll over, too. Retested the highs right now. No trade. Still waiting here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. for the crest white strips. Results 1 week. AlexOCrypto. What's the what's the code? The code is quit smoking or quit drinking coffee. Trade the smile pattern. Please do that to your teeth for 1 day. The real ones will know. I still, to this day, if I see a newspaper, I still color a tooth black. Like, I still do it. I'm not really looking. I think if I did it, my wife would she probably wouldn't kiss me. She'd be like, "What the you?" She'd call me a wanker. My wife is a sweetheart, but she'd be like, "You're such a." She would think I'm from Essex or something, you know? Then she would want to get her lips done or something. You know? Let's go, Praveen, Jimbo. It's Taco Tuesday today, though, Jimbo. So you got to do it again. I have that new Shure smelly microphone that actually lets you smell the people in the chat. JR didn't wear deodorant today. James Simpson, good morning. Good to see you. Wayne C, good to see you. Good morning. Dutchie. Are you longing Soul? I longed Soul yesterday. No trade right now. Soul needs to come down to 204. We gave this setup for the Discord yesterday to the hit to the tits. But if we don't hold this uptrending momentum here on Solana today, we're looking to come to 201. Look at this liquidity in here. The concern is this guy right here. Even if we push up, what would that create, guys? We can sing the song. Can we all sing the song? Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Okay. Ethereum, same deal here. Losing momentum here. I would like to see Ethereum come down and sweep this low. This low would be ideal. Same imbalance, friends. Okay, same imbalance here. Liquidity. Okay. Even in here, liquidity. So for me right now, it's about if this then that, right? Like, are we going to, triangle out, drop down? Maybe. The trend has switched from the highs up here. And the Discord is short, so they're all happy. I'm happy that they're happy. And we'll see how price behaves this morning. I'm just, from the top-down analysis, you guys can see our options. Our options are very clear, right? So Bitcoin trying to push up, trying to continue. Everybody putting on their hopium slippers after our little pump here. Okay. The interesting thing, in my opinion, is that we have taken this high. Okay. We've broken structure here, which is a very good sign. Okay. Doesn't mean we're out of the woods yet. This is maybe a what? Yeah, it's a good structure change. We didn't 12-hour structure change, right? So this is good. However, we are still macro downtrend, right? We are still in this guy. Okay? Even when we had the structure change over here, we pushed up a little bit more. Head and shoulders, remember? Golden pocket rejection. Liquidity. We haven't taken the liquidity at 107. But we're in Pumptober, Alex. It's still September, guys. There's a couple of things that are coming through the woodwork, though, that are good, right? We got, I wouldn't say this is great, but, we got Litecoin ETF. We got Solana ETF. This is the one I'm interested in. October 10th, guys. Solana ETF. I think this will be the turning point right here. If it's going to turn, that would be the catalyst. But this is just impulsive, like liquidity created here and very impulsive on the way up. It doesn't look constructive, right? When I see an uptrend, I want to see constructive. Higher highs, higher lows. There's no higher highs and higher lows in here. Even when we're pushing up, yeah, that's cool. You typically get a consolidation and a continuation. Nothing here. So, depending on how this low behaves is going to be very important. Also, how it behaves with volume, right? So, we all know that the volume's here, right? 112. That's our value area low, I believe. Yep. For all you volume people. So as long as we hold this general area, we should look to rotate to the top of the area. Should. If we lose this, though, we're coming back down for these guys, man. There's no way. Bitcoin's sweeping right now. Sweep into this area here. Continuation. Solana sweeping as well. SFP of the lows here for Solana. Ethereum losing momentum to the upside. Rolling over. Bitcoin trying to hold on right now. I would like to see Bitcoin come up to that VWAP. That would be ideal. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. We're live every morning. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading Bitcoin. We have an amazing Discord where you would have had this short given in advance last night. You also get spoiled by a whole bunch of traders. And a beautiful family that says good morning. Look at all the good mornings. Look at the good mornings. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good mornings from the gang. You get a direct line to AlexOCrypto. You're getting today there's going to be an amazing Discord live. Look, announcement. Tomorrow, Paul, CVO, you're going to bring your questions. He's going to talk about the market, short-term plays, bigger picture, all that good stuff for you guys. He also does awesome analysis. Bitcoin rolling over here. You got Brewberry going live, giving you guys smart money concept setups. Kyle giving you guys, shouldn't show you guys that. Our top calling signals. And HRJ. HRJ shorting the top, guys. The Discord with HRJ shorted the top of Bitcoin. Just letting you guys know. Live sessions, live teaching. And then you get like basically a course, like over 150 videos in our Discord. Incredible. I love seeing the gang win, man. You guys are hilarious. All right. Bitcoin trying to roll over here. Order block, rejection, SFP continuation. Solana rolling over. Ethereum losing momentum. No trade here, guys. We're chopping. We're bear flagging, right? Bear flagging. I will do a sale for the Discord in October. Yes, we'll do maybe second week of October. I don't know. We'll see. Good morning from Abu Dhabi. To the November 14th. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. This morning I saw that they announced this morning the ETFs. I found this. So Litecoin is the 2nd, Solana is the 10th, and XRP is the 17th. That's what I saw for ETFs coming our way. It's a free Discord. I see you in there, Steve. It's a free Discord. We were free for so long. We keep the free section open. You can still ask me questions and stuff like that. Obviously, you don't get access to all the traders and the setups and everything like that. Sweep and go here, trigger wave. Not bad. Not bad. 9 o'clock. Hourly candle print. Yeah, it's an ugly candle. Rejection at the VWAP. Rejection here on VWAP on Market Cipher. Nasty. I'm not sure if it got pushed back, though. We can double check later on. Can you check Dogcoin? H-bar ETF as well? Cool, man. I would assume that Dogecoin is dumping, bro. That's what I would assume. And I would be right. So you're looking for SFP here, bounce and continuation. If you get the bounce, you could possibly get long, but Dogecoin looks like trash. You're looking to come to this area. Yeah, I'm cool with that. This thing looks like absolute trash, man. It's dumping. Rolling over. Everything's rolling over. Look, everything's down. Lady in red, man. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. Not even getting up into our sell wall. All right, pack it up. Bull run's over. I'm kidding. I want lower anyway, so we'll see. Really in the middle, right? For me, we're looking for a couple of things. We want to see either a push up to here, which we didn't get. We got the first order block, rejection. Okay. Big order block down here. We could look for the SFP of the low here if we get it. But this would be the target. The Discord's currently short, so I've done my job. I told the Discord they'd have to wait till 3 a.m. for it to actually roll over. It was basically 3 a.m. right here. 3:30 in the morning. When did we say that? We said that up here, right? Oh, man. You guys are more patient than I am. Pardon me. Solana SFP? Nope. Sweeping this low on Solana, Still no bueno. Losing momentum here on Ethereum, looking to come for the low again. NASDAQ. Of course, NASDAQ's breakout retest. So we got breakout retest here on NASDAQ, looking to retest the previous highs and continue upwards possibly. We'll see how it behaves. This SPY coming back, filling up the gap. Okay, loves to fill a gap, guys. We'll see how it opens this morning, coming into market open. Bitcoin continuing to Steve Ruggle, man. It's rolling over hard. Eastern. I only trade hot dog buns. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 1-0 for ETH. ETH only tapped the retest of the previous highs, so it still has that big order block to come in and hang out in. Doesn't necessarily mean it has to go. Good to see you, Steve. Thanks for being in the Discord. Good morning, AV. What's going on, Redman? Good to see you. Joe, good morning. Good to see you. So we're probably jobs is probably gonna come down today. So we have Jolt's job openings, right? It's forecasted. Consensus is 7.2, so that's gonna say it's gonna come up, which I don't think it's gonna come up, guys. Like jobs has been on a steady decline here, and then we get the big one. Well, we get ISM, but the big one is Friday, right? This is the data that they want. I mean, it doesn't stop, nonstop. 90% chance of a cut. Sorry about the flashbang. So we'll see how it goes. $400 people watching. Not enough likes, right? 100. We need 40 more likes, guys. 35 actually. What's going on, Lightio? Good to see you, man. What happened to the CME gap? It's still available. Still available. Still available. If it does want to come down. I don't put that much weight on the CME gap right now. Simple bear flag, trigger to the downside. Sorry, I had to clear my throat. My God. I can hear my son doing the same thing. He's knocking on my door. Hello? Can I get a hoya? He goes, yeah. I got to go give him a hug. I can't tease him like that. Come here, buddy. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hi, handsome. How are you? Yeah. Did you have a nice sleep, man? Yeah. have nice dreams about boobies? Yeah? That's good. Yeah. You're lucky. Aren't you? You're a handsome man. Mwah. I love you. Can you say Hoya? Good job. You're gonna go hang with Mom. Mwah. Mwah. That's gotta work. I love you, little man. Mwah. Mwah. I love you. Oh, he's so good. Did you guys hear him go, yeah? He gives me a hoya, man. My son's the man. He let go of a fart yesterday, and I swear he's the man of the house. Garbage price action, guys. This is wrecking the bears, wrecking the bulls, up, down, all around. V-shaped recovery. Trying to push back here. No engulfing candle, nothing for me to trade right now. Still waiting here. Did you guys hear the yeah? Yeah. He nails it, man. He's definitely the man of the house. Like he just like let go of this fart last night. I swear I'm like, man, you just put your father to shame. Nothing funnier than a fart, guys. Too good, man. Too good. God bless you. God bless you, Jason Casper. My man, how have you been, man? How have you been? God bless. Hopefully you're harvesting all your food now. How you been, brother? How's trading been treating you? Are you short like us from the Golden Pocket? I'm sure he is. This guys, if you're not, I mean, you guys are all following Jason Casper, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for paving the way for the little guy like me, man. Jason Casper. Guys, if you are new to trading, I highly suggest you go and watch his free course. He has a free course that he actually put together. Some of the best market cipher analysis in all of crypto. Absolutely a God-loving family man. I appreciate you. I appreciate you because when I was new, you taught me about the uneven butt cheeks. You taught me how to manage my risk. You taught me about leverage. You taught me about Dolores. And you started a long time before me, and you showed me the way. And I'm always grateful for good people like you who have protected the new trader. So thank you, Jason. God bless you, man, you and your family. And hopefully you're having a wonderful harvest and a good... I've had strange health issues, bro. Well, I'll keep you in my prayers, man. I was asleep too, man. But no, I appreciate you, man, for not being one of these people who are trying to show me shark coins and just show me how to trade. It's important, man. And join Jason Casper's Discord, too. The Casper crew is on fire. He's got some amazing traders. Boyan, I think. Boyan, White Phoenix. Watch White Phoenix's course. That one's really good. I've watched that one. Some smart money concept stuff. Jason also has a market cipher crash course as well. It's really good. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work, bro. Thank you for... I mean, consistency, man. He shows up every day, and he's been doing it from, 2017 or something like that? So it's wild, man. That's wild. I know the grind. I show up every day. I've shown up every day for 3.5 years. You're like double me, so thank you for helping the new traders, man. That's cool. Right now, we waiting, bro. I think we come back down. I think this liquidity needs to be swept, bro. We need to come back in here. at least into this golden pocket, this range golden pocket. That's kind of my idea. Everybody's going to be sitting head and shoulders, right? We're going to have the head and shoulders in here. If we go swing low to swing high, we're looking in this golden pocket area. Imbalance in the chart, nice fair value gap. We'll see if we get it, man. If not, we're coming down for the lows. That's it. If this, then that. We got short up here last night in the gang, and we'll see what materializes, man. This is a pretty impulsive move, and I wouldn't be surprised if they give us a hot serving of fresh humble pie. Because I think everybody's bull posting too much, man. October. You haven't been showing up lately. That's okay, man. We still love you. When you show up for so long, it's hard to take a break. Obviously, you know, because you're working after. People see you live stream. They don't see everything you're doing in the background after. And then you're farming at the same time, man. Jeez. Anyways, thank you so much for dropping by, Jason. God bless you, bro. I'll keep you in my prayers. Hopefully you find your health, right? We all know here health is priority, right? You can wish for a million things, but if you don't have your health, you only have one wish, right? And that's what they say. If you don't have your health, you only have one wish, and that's to have it back. Trading is stressful. It's important to touch grass and take breaks. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. So take a break, bro. We'll be here. We'll be here. John, what's going on? Albert Rajag, Guk, my man. Sparky Loft, good morning, guys. Lewis, good morning. Steve Hickey, Army Piper. God bless you, bro. Piper in the chat, man. Let's see some Army Piper emojis. Little SFP here, nothing. You got 13 minutes till market opens, everybody. Health is wealth. That's it, man. Biddy trying to recover here. Solana with the nice SFP. Didn't front ran the lows here. Solana, you cheeky girl, man. Solana la long. Solana la long. Oh yeah. Literally looking for the SFP on all three. Bitcoin trying to push here. Coming into market open pretty much where we started, guys. So obviously finding its comfort zone right around here. Chop City. We wait. NASDAQ retesting highs. Coming into market open. We got Jolt's job openings at 10 a.m. Solana trying to push here. ETH looks very weak. The whole market's red right now. Yeah, looks like complete dog doo-doo. Complete dog doo-doo. So we'll see what happens here. No trades so far. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 470 people here. 215 likes. Thank you, guys, man. That's cool. I guess we have to do a what comes first poll. What comes first, right? What comes first? 107 or 107 or 117? That's what I want to know. What's going on, AlexOCrypto? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? $200 away from passing your eval on what? Breakout prop or something? Nice. Nice. Breakout. Let's go, man. Did they give you a code? You got a code for it? I got a little discount code for it. Nice push. Nice, man. Yeah, talk to them. I'm sure they'll hook you up, bro. Apuya. Paul Caruso. You down with the SFP? Yeah, you know me. My God, look at this price action. I can't deal with this sometimes, man. Soilana, man. All right, everything bullish now. SFP of the high here. Order block. Sell wall. Honestly, the price action from here over, from yesterday, from here over to where we are now, dog trash, man. Dog trash. Absolute trash. It's actually upsetting. Nine minutes market open. Trying to push here. Aster's looking good. Hype on a 1, 2, 3 right now? Probably. It'd have to look, man. It's too close to it's pretty close to market open here. Higher high. Yeah. Looking to come a little bit lower, if anything. Breakout retest continuation for Sol. Like, what is this level? Like, are we doing... Really? That's some cheddar. That is absolute cheddar. That is old, like 4 or 5 year old cheddar, man. Like, absolute granny feet right there. That is disgusting. Still waiting SFP here. Daily bull div, yeah. Nelson, good morning. Degener. Is Degener, is that like the French, like, is that like Giorgio Armani? For Degen? I'm Giorgio Nomani. That's me. Giorgio Nomani. All people here are typically Giorgio Nomanis. Let's be real. Come on. Guten Morgen, Billy Baines. How are we all doing, everybody? Hopefully we're having a wonderful day. Looking for follow through here. Solana follow through, possibly. Lots of liquidity here for Solana to come and grab. Come and get me, it says. Really, yeah. Anchor trigger trying to push up into market open. 6 minutes till market open, everybody. V-shaped recovery happening on Bitcoin. Is anybody in a trade right now? Put a 1 if you're long. Put a 2 if you're short. I mean, we gave the short last night for Bitcoin, so maybe some people are still in that, but this is shockingly shite, in my opinion. I might have to go golfing today, everybody. We got 2 shorts, longs. We got some longs. 2 since last night. Nice, Clay. Long, short. 3 is hands, by the way. Good job, gang. Hands. Waiting for jobs. Okay, that's smart. And a scalp long. Good job. 2 since last night. Good job. 3 just lurking. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Shout out to all the lurkers in the chat. All you guys back there on your wanking chariots, not smashing the like button, writing Google messages about my pronouns because I'm Lord Otter and King Beaver. All you guys back there. I see you. Lurkers, man. Weirdos, man. You come in here, you don't say good morning. You're just sitting in the background on your little trading chariot there with your 50 USDT. And yeah, man. I mean, I'm not that good. I'm not that pretty of a face, man. ENNN. It's in the game. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted. Let's see where they really are. M2 Dow, a lurker. Alexio, a lurker. Trade with the journal. I bet you this guy doesn't even have a piece of paper near his desk. Lurker. Nagatoshi. Lurker. That would be my wife's name. No, I'm joking. If she was Japanese. How's that for a dad joke? Nagatoshi. My wife's going to beat me up now. My wife is my world, by the way. But if my wife was Japanese, that would be her name. And Lord Twistin Jays. Lurker. Oh, man. I was quick with that one, eh? Them dad jokes are getting... Those dad jokes are getting... They're on fire lately. You know, I'm a year in now. The dad jokes are evolving, right? The dad jokes are growing. I'm going to tell my wife that one. She's going to be upset with me. How far are we in on the stream here? 2 hours. I got to show her. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, cool. Market's open in 3 minutes, guys. Nagatoshi. That's what I'm going to start calling her. She's going to get so mad at me. My wife is not a nag. She's a sweetheart. I never talk bad about my wife. So into our buy level on NASDAQ coming into market open. Look, serious sell side, serious liquidity down here. Like, that's just it, right? So can we come down here? Most likely. Are we faking everybody out into market open? Most likely. Are we in a downtrend since last night? Yes. I'd like to see us come into here and reject. This would be numero uno if we get the right conditions. And I would like to see us to come down to 112. If this, then that. We'll see. Soy Boy Lana looking strong. ETH looking like ETH. Really just hot garbage. A little bit of a V-shaped recovery here and a push. So we'll see if it does want to continue into market open. We got 1 minute here. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up the like buttons. 515, 18, whatever people here. Thank you. Probably 300 lurkers in the background. They're open mouth thumbnails. We did a demonstration on how to whiten your teeth on your thumbnails today. If you want to go and watch that, it's the beginning of the stream. It's actually very informative. Shows you how to use the highlighter efficiently. We are not sponsored by Crest White Strips. That was a joke. This is never financial advice. I'm simply a hobbit in the mountains living in an igloo pressing buy and sell. You make up your own decisions, whatever you want to do. Thank you for being here, though, and hanging out, even if you're a lurker. I do appreciate you guys. Hospitech, how can you just come over to the free Discord and watch the video on the membership section and make your own decision? You don't have to join our Discord. I am looking to possibly have a sale maybe mid-October. Maybe. Here we go. Market's open. Oh, Minotaur taking a trade. That's my trading bot. Kicking ass, taking names. I don't even have to think about it. It's just making me money. It's printing slowly but surely, which is always good. SPY, gap. No gap. Okay. Little gap. Mini gap here. Okay, mini gap above here. Bitcoin trying to push. NASDAQ rolling over, guys. NASDAQ coming into the lows here. Coming in for that liquidity. Biddy trying to push. Nice recovery here for Biddy, but still a little bit of patience here. 12 minutes suggests we have room to the upside. Obviously, lots of liquidity above us here, but money flow's really bad. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit here. Still waiting. Solana holding. ETH rolling over. NASDAQ, SFP of the low, higher lows all the way through here. Will it hold? Biddy trying to hold as well. No trade. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Solana trying to hold. Okay. 24 minutes still coming up. Still looks strong. The hourly is something we did like this morning as well. Just flagging out, guys. It's just pure flag here. Just going up, right? Easy peasy. I like a regression trend because you don't have to... The regression trend tool, you don't have to really... You go over here. You don't have to guess. It just draws it for you. Okay, regression trend here on the left-hand side. You just go to the low, and it will give you your trend. It's pretty easy, right? Good little tool, if you know what I mean. You go from the high here, right? You go from the high all the way down. You get a little down trending action here. It's like I don't have to interpret what it's drawing. It just draws it, right? Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Who knows? Right now we're just chopping, guys. Chopping, trying to make a decision. Trying to hold here on the NAS. Looks like it's really preparing for jobs news, guys. That's what... I'll go 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes after the live stream. We'll bring in the news, and we'll see if we do get an opportunity to take a trade into the data. Okay. If you missed this part of the stream, guys, I don't know why you weren't here. We were talking about how to do a thumbnail and how to whiten your teeth. Guys, absolute fire lesson today. Little order block here, coming back to retest. Standard deviation 1. Continuation up possibly. Solana coming back. Bart Simpson. Continuation here. Am I bearish or bullish on BTC? Since we put in the lows at 107, I think we need to come and get them. That doesn't mean I'm not bullish. I am still very bullish on Bitcoin. But I still think there's some liquidity we need to take care of. So I guess I'm short-term bearish, long-term bullish. However, there is hopium. If you looked at the top-down analysis, there's hopium. If we do bounce out of here, we could create an inverse head and shoulders and look to push back up because we have changed structure on a higher-term time frame. So we could possibly look for a continuation, okay, out of anywhere down in here, creating that right shoulder. So be aware of that. Bitcoin battling back. NASDAQ coming back for all of that liquidity, guys. Look at that. Isn't liquidity cool, guys? Just tells you where it's going to go, who's it hunting, and who's your daddy, and what does he do. Stop whining. Take the trade. Stop whining. Still waiting here. Not a full sweep yet. No trade up here. Want to see this? Or the same thing up here. Stuck in the middle. Hot dog. Hot dogging, man. We hot dogging here. You want to get noodle slapped or do you want to trade the buns? That's your choice. Me personally, you know, I love green candles and all that stuff, but if we're talking about noodle slaps, like we obviously want to get noodle slapped by green candles. But just like this, right? This is how, if we were going to get noodle slapped, it'd be like this, right? Is that too far? We wouldn't mind some of that, right? That's probably too far, everybody. Spiraling over, leaving a gap above it. Interesting. Solana doesn't look strong. ETH looks weak. Lower low, lower high, rotation down. Right? So you have your break structure in here. You have your retest and then your continuation down to liquidity. So ETH is telling us it's going to go down. Solana, higher high. So Solana retesting continuation says up. So we have mixed messages throughout our market right now. NASDAQ. There it is. That's our sweep we wanted. Will it push back now? Good pushback. Nice sweep for the NAS. Solana follow through. See, the problem with taking longs here, right? You take a long here. What is this? Your trade setup there? It'd have to be like that. It's a 1-to-1. It's the R multiple on this is dog crap. So it's also something you always have to weigh up when you're taking a trade, right? Like where are you counter trading yourself? Where is your resistance and where would you look to short? Because if you're going to get long and you have a whole bunch of roadblocks in your way, you could be in for some pain, right? So be aware of that always too. Nice push for Biddy. Trying to bounce still on the NAS. No trade here. Nice push, though. Good candle. Doji engulfing. Nice push for Biddy. Solana looks really good here. Doji engulfing on Solana. Still no trade. Still waiting, guys. Can't force it up at the highs here, guys. That's just, you know. I can't force it at the highs. No wonder he keeps getting demonetized. Yeah, that's it, man. We just talk smack and take trades, man. That's just the way it is. Pink box today. Not sure. I don't know if we get up there. This would be major resistance here. That's it, man. What's going on, Dano Fair 2? No XRP today, man. View up slap, maybe? Yeah, we're looking for it, Django. We'll see if we get it. Too far? Yeah, way too far, I think. The things you got to put up with to come and watch someone trade this thing, eh? Sorry. I mean, I'm sure there's some other people who are willing to give you guys technical analysis, top-down analysis on all your altcoins. You can go and watch those guys. They'll give you some lines on their chart. It's always good. Solana looks to push here. Nice sweep on the NASDAQ here. Battling for it. Really battling for it. NASDAQ can come lower, though. Easily. Easily. Yeah. Still waiting here, guys. No trade. I wonder if we'll get a Darth Maul candle here at the job openings. We just get a nice big old Darth Maul. Which way, though? Which way is always the question. Just waiting here. Nice follow through. Solana looks good. Yeah, nice push for Solana. ETH pushing back as well. Solana looked the best out of all of them. Retest continuation. Nice push. Coming into some resistance now, so we'll see if it does want to continue here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 550 people here. You guys are cool, man. Thank you for being here. Make sure you are saying good morning. That's the only thing I really ask is that you say good morning. Don't be kind of weird. Nice push here, Nick Musgrave, my man. What's going on, Nick? How you doing, bro? God bless you, man. Give me a fish. No poisson for you, Piper. I should have taken the Solana along. Solana along. Nice push for ETH. Point of control. Rejection. Solana overextended. Coming in to retest the previous lows. Sell side. Liquidity. Bitcoin coming up for the slap right now. NASDAQ full recovery. Biddy trying to push here, guys. No trade, just waiting. Slap. Slap and yap. Slap and go here. Stop loss to entry. TP1 hit. Quick $70. Quick slap and go. Dump it, Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. Come on. Don't be no namby-pamby. Come on. Humble pie these people, man. Really? I'm going to get paid here, guys, at least. Even in this uptrend. Come back down. $150 realized. We'll see if it does want to roll over here, guys. GG's in the chat. I got to make like an OG in the chat kind of deal. Can I get it? Yeah, I got to. Let's just put some gang in the chat. See if this does want to roll over. Quick 150. Easy scalp, guys. Very easy scalp. Potential to roll over now. Let's go, baby. It's almost too easy, right? Entice buyers all the way up and then slap it and dump. it's like taking candy from a child, right? Still got like 26,000 on this trade. I mean, I exited it a little bit early. Obviously, we're in this aggressive uptrend here. We come back down to here, I'd be fully out. I'm happy with that. Quick little 200, 250, start the day. Hip hip hooray, right? Take it, Biddy. Take it. Ooh, you gonna be nasty with me. You gonna be nasty with me. The exchange knows, guys. The market makers, they all know. I'm happy with that. Quick little in and out like a good boy scout. Hopefully you guys are all enjoying the content. On to the next one. Getting paid. Quick 200 to start the day. Never hurts. Going into news at 10 a.m. Doing it live for all you guys. GG's everybody. If you're still holding it, good job. And we'll see if we continue to roll over here. V-whoop is the shiznit. Let's go, baby. Quick in and out like a good boy scouts. You're using that on the misses. Say you're a 2-pump chump. That's it, man. Chicago PMI. No idea what that is, guys. No idea. Is that not good? Nope, that's not good. Look at the dump. This is not good. This is no good, guys. This is no good. Rolling over. GG's on your gains today, everybody. Hopefully you guys are all having a wonderful time. Kicking ass, taking names. Happy to be here with y'all. All I ask is that you say good morning. You don't have to like or subscribe. Thank you for being here. What's going on, everybody? What's the first letter and the last letter of the gang? GG. Let's go. I'm going to put a GG emoji. Emoji. Nagamoto. Oh my God. That's not going to get old for a while, man. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Patience prevails, right? You're overextended to the upside. We have our sell wall here. We understand there's liquidity in here. There's a nice order block here, a nice order block here, a nice order block here. Like, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to understand where the resistance is. You take the slap. Your stop loss goes to entry really fast off the slap, and you'll see if it rolls over. Obviously, I took my profits in here. That's just my intention. This thing could go to 0. I don't know. This could be your swing short down to 107. For me, intentional, right? For me, I'm intentional with my trades. I know where I want to get out, what I'm trying to do, and what I'm trying to take out of the market. Oh, but you would have been up Yeah. Remember, 90% of people don't make money in this market. 90%. So if you're making money and you're keeping your money and you're not over leveraged and over risked and you're making money, you're doing a good job. Because 90% of people are foolish and they're not doing it. They're not paying the bills. We'll put it that way. And you all want to quit your job and you all want to pay your bills, right? I managed to do it. So hopefully I can help you. And I will give you shit from time to time about trading Ta coin and trading poopy doopy doopy coin and whatever you're into. 'Cause it's all garbage. Trade something with liquidity. Why would you trade something like fart coin? Okay, and I did this. I lost money. I made $8,000. What was it? I made $8,000 and lost 12. Okay, trading fart coin for fun. Why would you trade some asset, okay, like fart coin, like Pengu, right, that has zero liquidity, and you want to size up? So you want to be able to compound your account, right? You want to compound your account. You want to turn a $1,000 account into a $100,000 account, right? Do you think Pengu is going to provide you enough liquidity to trade with a $100,000 account to enter and exit your positions? Do you think it's going to be able to do that? No, it's not going to. You need to trade stuff like Bitcoin, stuff like Solana, stuff with liquidity that's going to, fill your positions. Otherwise, you're going to sit there and you're going to mark it out and price is going to be up here. You're going to mark it out and price is going to fill you down here. And you're only going to make $10 rather than $10,000. Okay, that's what's going to happen if you don't trade something with liquidity. Bouncing off the support level here. Soy Boy Lana coming back, bouncing as well. ETH with the tell this morning, guys. 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row, ETH with the tell. We got 3 minutes till news. No problem, Dusty. Thank you for reminding me Orb is in. Wrong one. Sorry. $9:30, yeah? Yeah. We're good. Okay. 1 minute till news, everybody. I do not trade XRP. We traded XRP in the bear because it chopped between 50 cents. What was it? 40 cents and 55 cents. It was a really easy range token in the bear. But no, I don't trade it anymore. Stay away from banter. Everybody has their own. I teach in banter, so I mean, banter. They know their audience. Let's put it that way, and they know what they're trying to trade. And at the end of the day, I see their setups. I see what they're looking at, and they give you clear stop losses, clear setups, right? Most swing trades, there's nothing wrong with their setups. I stay away from stuff like that. That's just me, though. I can't trade grass and ass token, man. That's just not for me. I think if you want to have longevity in this game, you got to trade something with liquidity. I try to teach them. I try to teach them as much as I can in banter. Here we go, guys. $7.22. It's coming in positive, guys. That's good. So it's above consensus, which is a good sign. This is a good sign. The NASDAQ is pushing up. So is Bitcoin. This is a good sign for the market. Solana. Can it push? Bitcoin, can it push? Okay. Coming in above consensus. I mean, I never badmouth anybody, man. You guys are all adults. You guys can pick your poison, man. Whatever you're into. If you want to trade fart tokens, if you want to trade Bitcoin, if you want to trade ADA. I don't know how you would trade ADA, but you tell me. At the end of the day, you're a grown-ass adult. You know how to manage your risk. Crypto's a casino. If you want to gamble your savings away, that's your choice. If you want to learn how to practice good risk management, take high probability trade setups, that's what we're trying to do here. So, decent jobs. Decent jobs. Decent jobs. Looking okay here. Let's see what it says on our CME Fed Watch tool here. (90.3% chance of 92% chance of rate cuts. Okay, so it's even higher now. Even higher. There you go. There you go. So more opportunity for them to cut. Okay, more opportunity for them to cut. I'm going to send you guys over to the Piper Academy, guys. We've taken one trade off the slap. It's chopping right now. No trade for me. I'll update the Discord as we go here. Guys, awesome stream, man. Good fun today. Lots of laughs. Lots of good fun. I do appreciate you guys for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. If you're new here, welcome. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Make sure you take some... I think we go a little bit lower, guys. This looks like we need to sweep a little bit of liquidity. Just looking at it over here. However, you can jump on trend if you want. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Take care. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.